Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be going around and doing some gardening maintenance. It's coming up. I'm going to pop in more of the beans along here. Loofah. I'll be honest. Some of it's kind of taking longer than I thought it would, and then other things are a lot farther along. Like I was expecting it to be like this section over here, maybe late August. Came in. I pulled out all the bitter lettuce. You'll see that in the video. I tried it and it was so disgusting. So this little section, it's looking better. Yeah, I don't know what had happened with it. So after that video where I cleaned it out, I came back in and I popped in some of the 4 o'clocks and calendula that had self-seeded over here. But were on the border and didn't need to be where they were at. It looks like I'm going to have I'm going to have a bloom here on my hosta. So that's exciting. Oh my gosh, this just opened up. I was looking at it yesterday, but look at the color on this canna. That is just gorgeous. And so we are going to be doing some garden maintenance today, like this hyacinth bean vine, which I did plant in here, but it was supposed to climb up that. So I'm going to try to unwrap it and get it over there. And speaking of rough, I'm going to be coming in and just chopping back the Sweet Williams. They'll flush again. I'll get another round of color, but they're looking pretty sad. I'm going to try and get these flamingos situated properly. For some reason, they keep falling over. So I'm not doing it right this year. So the Shasta daisies have just taken over. They're just way too big and crowding out so much of my other plants. I can't really get in there, but I know I have more scabiosa that's probably getting smothered. I should actually show you the zinnia. Look how stunning. Honestly, this is like the best zinnias I've ever done. They are huge this year. And oh, look, we got a little lupin in there blooming. Oh, we got some weeds. So this whole section just went bonkers, and I probably way overplanted. I've got celosia, I've got gomphrena, which the gomphrena is really getting dwarfed out. So any gomphrena I find that's like kind of hidden, I'm going to pull that out. I'll find a better spot for it. But like this Shasta here, like it's crowding out my hibiscus, which we cannot have. And it's falling over and it's crowding out the echinacea. So the echinacea is the smallest it's ever been. And I have some from seed that I put down here, and it's just not getting any sun because of the Shasta daisy. So I'm going to cut this one back pretty hard. But yeah, this section, there's some things trampled through here. I'm going to clean that up a little bit so it doesn't look so rough. The 4 o'clocks, my alyssum border is kind of filling in. We got 4 o'clocks coming. But you can see like these Shastas are just falling over and into I have hyssop and tamarillos, and these tamarillos are going crazy in here. All right, I'm just going to get my gloves and my kneeler and my pruners, and we're going to get set. I'm here and do a little bit of weeding first, actually, because of course I can't just rest. I'm noticing a ton of morning glories popping up in the front of the beds. The back of the beds, I don't care. Oh my God. See this? Look at this, and I got 2 eggplants. Oh my gosh, how are they producing on such tiny little plants? Okay, I gotta get the dill out of the way. Oh, my balsam is blooming. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Do you see the other one back there? Oh man, I want to keep them up off the ground. I don't want that one on the ground. Up off the ground, sir. There we go. Stand up. These poor guys, they've gotten trampled. Bunny keeps running through here. And then Dexter keeps chasing the bunny through here. And this dill is on my face, but it smells amazing, so I'm not going to hate on it too much. I believe this is my... Okay. Dill, what's your dill? Get out of there. It looks like some of my lettuce is going to start to bolt, so let's see if it still tastes all right. Oh, nope. Nope. All right. That's gone. That's bitter. All right, so we'll cut that off. See, look at that. Something came in and just destroyed my irises. Like, what the heck? Sorry about that. Like, seriously, what the heck? Like, I've had these for years. Oh, just too much water on them? They're like rotten. Oh my God, that's so gross. It smells horrendous. Oh my God. Ooh, is that a grub? Something eating this? Snails. I see some snails, but... All right, you know what? I'm going to put you down because this is too awkward to do with the camera, and I'm going to put on some gloves and just rip all that crap out of there. All right, let's see if we can't get this borage out of here without disturbing anything else. Oh my gosh. Come on. There we go. All right. And we have another borage sitting down here. So, all right. There we go. Okay. Yeah, and then these petunias are doing pretty good. So, okay. So the borage is out. I'll plant that up in a minute. Now we got to try and find our beans. Oh, look at that. Can't believe we're actually getting flowers on these. They've been so just eaten alive up here. Poor babies. All right. Do a little weeding. So the zucchini looks like it's going to make it. Very happy. My zucchini is looking good. I might put a few scarlet runners in that container and wish me luck. The red royal burgundy. Royal burgundy, and then the wax, the yellow, will be on the outside. And then we're gonna find a spot for those two borage. Maybe I should put one of the borage in there. It seems to. All right, what else can we right here? Because there's not much else is coming up right here for now. Thing is, just like, I am not loving the color on that. That is just kind of hideous. It's so bad. These are gorgeous. Love those. Look. These are very tiny tomato plants. These are the spoon tomatoes, which if you've ever grown spoon tomatoes once, more than likely you will grow them. And I don't even remember letting any go to, I don't remember growing them last year. Could have, but they keep coming back in this spot, and this is not where we want tomatoes. It's really hard when I'm working on a hill on an angle, because as I bend over, if I don't adjust the camera, you're like staring at my feet, which is not exciting. It's not that kind of video. Okay. Find a safe spot to get in here. Like, I'm just gonna prune it. Wow, okay, that really opened it up. So now, like, you can even tell these were echinacea here. Okay, so that doesn't look so pretty right now, but that will fill in. And that just brought in a lot more sun for these echinacea here that need it. Yeah. To gently move aside these tamarillo and see what else is hiding in here. Okay, and so just like before, I'm just going to kind of come in low and pull these out, and that's going to make room for other plants. Oop, 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 oop. That's not, oh my goodness, I almost pruned that off. And that's my hyssop, I think. That would have been sad. Okay. So be careful. Okay, and then more Shastas. Who knew Shastas were so obnoxious? I started these all from seed in 2020. I got the seeds at the dollar store because we couldn't really access much else, and they have gone bonkers. So being very careful not to accidentally cut down my sunflower. That would be, oh my goodness, that board is just poking me. It's very sharp. Some nice calendula. That's a pretty one. Okay. So pretty. I'm not going to pick these ones though because the colors aren't going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you are in garden maintenance mode yourself or if you're still out there planting. See you next time. Bye.